But I'm getting my songs all polished for it, so I'll do one for you guys tonight. It's an older song of mine that I wrote right before the last election, called the Please Don't Rain Dance. The decorations are all in order. The guests are starting to arrive. The jazz is humming softly, and the walls are coming alive. The vegetarians are out by the barbecue, seeing how much they can eat. And the liberals are talking with the conservatives, seeing on how much they can agree. And me, I'm putting a star on the tree, and the folk singers are giving me a hand. And all of my friends are out on the lawn doing the please don't rain dance. And the lawyers are standing by the alcohol, 'cause they have so much in common. Both can be mixed with almost anything, enough to feel it but not enough to get sick. And some of the graduates are talking about careers, and some are talking about death. And there are those that are philosophizing that there ain't much of a difference. And the Christians are painting with the hippies to see who could truly draw love in the end. And all of my friends are out on the lawn doing the please don't rain dance. And Britney Spears and Hillary Clinton, they're singing Christmas carols to the Pope. And he asks how many journalists does it take to screw in a light bulb. Britney says, man, they're too busy screwing up the phone. And Dr. Jack, he's beneath the mistletoe. He's waiting for that kiss of death. He says the only thing that I'm guilty of is not pretending that death doesn't exist. Oh, and all that have been tested wait for that strange penalty of romance. Oh, and all of my friends are out on the lawn doing the please don't rain dance. And Bin Laden, he's in the bathroom. He's frustratingly shaving his head, 'cause he's learned you can only kill people. Oh, you cannot kill a concept. Oh, and George Bush, he's waiting outside. Oh, you know it's surely his time to go. He says, I've been fighting concepts for so long, I guess people is a more realistic goal. And Condoleezza and Donald Rumsfeld, they're outside throwing sand at all of my friends out on the lawn doing the please don't rain dance. Oh, and things are getting a little crazy. Everybody's been drinking their minds. Oh, and the movie stars all wanna be rock stars, and the singers just want a little peace and quiet. And the walls are bending outwards, and the jazz has been set free. Oh, everybody's grabbed their coats, but nobody knows how to leave. And the next time I throw a party, thinking that I just might not show up. 'Cause everybody thinks that rain is inevitable. Nobody thinks that it can't be stopped. I fell asleep at some point. I woke up just a few minutes ago to the sound of thunder and lightning and rain falling on my window. Everybody had pretty much cleared out, except for those who needed a place to crash, like the guys from Enron and the modern sitcom, and all them too drunk to head back. Oh, but me, I'm going outside, 'cause you can't brave the storm without getting a little wet. I'm gonna join my friends out on the lawn and do the please don't rain, babe. That was a little long, thanks.